We will guide you through how to change Photoshop from pixels to inches. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open your document in Adobe Photoshop. Press the Ctrl and R keys together to show the rulers around the document. Check that one ruler appears horizontally across the top of the canvas and another appears vertically along the left side. Right-click either ruler to open a menu containing the available measurement units. Select inches from that menu. The markings and values on both rulers will immediately change to inches. If you also want to make inches the standard ruler unit through Photoshop's Preferences, optionally click Edit in the top menu. Choose Preferences, then open Units and Rulers to access the measurement settings used throughout the application. Locate the Unit section near the top of the Preferences panel. Open the Rulers menu and set it to inches so the choice becomes the default instead of only a temporary ruler change. If needed, you can also change the type unit, which controls how Photoshop measures font sizes and related text values. Leave it at the current setting if you have no special requirement. For print projects, you may optionally set the new document preset resolution to the value required by your printer or production workflow, helping new files begin with suitable print detail. Review your unit and resolution selections, then click OK to save the changes and close the Preferences window. If you want to see precise measurements while moving a selection or checking an object, optionally open the Window menu and choose Info. The Info panel will display position, size, and other measurement details using inches where the active settings apply. From now on, newly created Photoshop documents will use inches as the default ruler unit, while you can still right-click a ruler at any time to switch units for a particular task.